Dito digay, rainy to digay, May 22. It's Friday and rainy. Little bit of rain, so no need to pouring water to our plant. I'm sure our plant is happy because of the rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rainy time. I think tomorrow rain also. Our holy hap over there gayo. I'm exciting it big flower. I don't know. Mag-video lang ako gayo ng 1 minute para may update.